I said, like, I'm usually in stretch styles, and because my hair is so thin and fragile, it doesn't bounce back. Like, this is such a bounce back. See, we've hit a gold mine, diamond. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm like extremely excited. If you're new, welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join the fun. So today we are going to wash my hair. As you can see, my hair is looking very limp, y'all. Very limp, and I need some protein. I've been fangirling about this product for like 3 good years, like 3 years, y'all. I've been fangirling for like 3 years, and it's like, I've not used it before, but I've like talked about it, you know? Like, I've talked about it so much. Finally got it. I finally invested in the Aphogee Two Step treatment, and that's what we are going to use today. Yo, this thing is like an investment. So this is actually the 2-step process. You use this 2-step protein treatment first, and then you use the balancing conditioner next. To the side, I kind of like saw the shampoo, and I thought, why don't I just get a shampoo? Because the shampoo is 1/3 the cost of this. So I was like, I mean, it's the same size as this, and this is 3 times the cost of this. So that says something. I did an oil treatment. Like, my hair was looking way limp than it's looking right now. I did an oil treatment yesterday in the evening, so my hands are kind of like really extremely oily. So I'm going to rinse this out and we start with the shampoo, and we see how it goes. This is for natural hair, it's for relaxed hair, it's for any processed natural hair. So if you have relaxed hair, permed hair, colored hair, blah. And so let's wash my hair or rinse this oil, use their shampoo to see how my curls look, and then we use the treatment and we see the steps. Okay, let's go. I'm cleansed and ready to use the protein treatment. I learned that it's easier to use the protein treatment like pouring it in a spray bottle. So that's literally what I'm going to do. There are literally directions here for me to read. Yes, for me to read and follow. Wow. I don't know if this will be enough for my hair, but I'm just doing it like this so that I don't take too much. So if it's like enough for my hair, that's cool. If it's not, it's still there. We'll pour more in. Let me section my hair. So I'm going to start at this. I'm going to start here, right here in this section. Are you guys seeing that cute thing right there? I'm going to start there. Let's start. It smells weird. Huh. Okay, so that's literally what I'll be doing to my whole head. So when I finish, I'll come back. So I'm finally done putting it in my hair. It's not supposed to be this for me. I shook the bottle. I don't know why I shook the bottle, but it's not supposed to be this for me. I'm supposed to wait for this to dry. You can use a hand dryer. I'm going to use a hand dryer to make it dry faster, and yes, basically that's it. So I'm going to have it dry really hard, like cakey, and then I can rinse it off. See, I wish you could touch my hair. It feels like hay, you know, hay, dried grass. It feels like dried corn husk. Like, It's so dry, and they said no agitation, so I'm not going to do anything to my hair because I feel like if I try and do something to it right now, this shit, like, it feels like, you know that sound that like dried leaves on the ground that you step on. I love stepping on dried leaves, by the way. Dried leaves that you step on. Well, it's dry now. They said I should wait for it to dry. Let's look at the instructions again. So, let's raise it out. Okay, like, do you all see a difference? I see a difference. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you, but like, what the hell? This is amazing. And the fact that it was just so hard and I've just rinsed it out and it feels so soft, that is crazy. That is so crazy. I can't wait to use this again, honestly. I really can't. I can't. My hair, my hair even looks so much better already. It has so much more elasticity than it usually does have. That is crazy. Now I understand why. I now understand why people say before you cut your damage off, try using Aphogee. And by the damage, they don't mean that like you finish frying your hair for it to be like extremely straight. They want to use Aphogee to bring back your curls. Or you permed your hair or textured your hair and you want to use Aphogee to bring the curls back. But like weak strands, damaged hair, things that has made your curls a little bit looser, and my hair just feels nice. This is crazy, you all. Please, this is not sponsored. Like, I spent a lot of money on this product, okay? But my hair, like, tell me you guys can see. Usually, don't you see some like wonky hairs all around? Like, look at this. I just rinsed it off. I've not combed it. I've not done anything. It has just been rinsed. I can't wait to use this in the next 5 to 6 weeks. Cause like, oh my god. Like, my hair is looking so good. What? Do you guys see? Like, I'm so excited. This looks so good. Like, honestly, that'll be on my thumbnail. Before you cut your damaged hair, have you tried Aphogee? Yo, my hair even feels thicker already. Like, I don't understand. This is so amazing. Okay, like, this is out of this world. Okay, so listen, here's the thing. Before all this, I was like seeing people use Aphogee and I'm like, wow, that's cool. Your curls look so much better, look so much bouncier, look so much shinier and all that stuff, right? Then they were like, before you cut your hair, before you cut your damaged hair, try Aphogee. And I'm like, isn't that too far? Like, I mean, your curls are nice, everything's cool, everything's Gucci, but come on, like, before I cut it, use Aphogee. But now I'm having the experience. Oh my god, this is amazing. Before you cut your damaged hair, use Aphogee and let's see what will happen. Cause like, whoo. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm going to raise this out and come and show you guys how my curls look. This is crazy. Like, yo, do you see how tighter my do you even see how healthier my hair looks right now? Good. Like, yo, you can't. Oh my goodness. And the way my hair feels soft. This is the softest my hair has felt in like months. I'm telling you, yo, I've really been neglecting my hair. I'm literally so amazed. Like, the hair looks healthier. The bounce back is so amazing. This side usually looks so wonky and lanky and so like weak and like floaty. But like, look here. See. You all see how I've held my hair right now, right after putting water in. I will try and show a clip. I'll try and show a clip of something like this where I pull my hair in this kind of bun right after washing my hair, and you see how lazy my curls look. You see how lazy my hair is. We'll put a comparison here so that we can see how lazy that looks, because this looks good. Like, I put it there and it all looks like together, you know, like they have some sense, like they are thinking about good things. I'll put that comparison video here because, like, anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you love this video. If you try this product, comment. I'm so excited. Like, this, I'm not sure. I want a perm hair girl to try this because, like, Charlie, this is nice. So I can't wait to try this again. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Thank you for trying this new product with me. Comment what you'd like me to try next. Comment whatever questions you have about this product. Oh, by the way, if you are using it unlike me, use a towel, because on the skin, very irritating, and it got really sticky when it dried. But that's just beside the point, okay? So if you have any questions about this product, comment down below and I'll try and answer it as much as I can. But, like, you all have a nice day, have a lovely day. Hope you enjoy the rest of the month. We are entering December soon and it will be Christmas, but that's just beside the point. Hopefully this pandemic will be over soon and everything will go back to normal. Well, everything will go back to normal, but I mean, like, things will go back. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a lovely day. I'm going to continue with my We Naturals hair mask. By the way, they said you can continue with any other treatment, or you can just, like, style your hair and do whatever you want. I just want to, like, continue with any other treatment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, and yes, bye.